There are many types of mushrooms that are considered to be healthy and have various beneficial effects on the body. Here are 4 examples. Hold on, before we get started, please smash that like button for the valuable information you are about to learn. Let's get started. Number 1 on our list is the reishi mushrooms. These mushrooms are believed to have anti-inflammatory, immune-boosting, and anti-tumor properties. They are often used in traditional Chinese medicine to improve overall health and well-being. Remember to share this information so persons can be educated from this content. Next on the list is the shiitake mushrooms. These mushrooms contain a variety of nutrients, including B vitamins and vitamin D, as well as compounds called lentinan and aritetanine, which have been shown to have cholesterol-lowering and immune-boosting effects. Leave a comment to share what you know about these mushrooms that was left out. Next up is the Maitake mushrooms. These mushrooms contain a variety of nutrients, including vitamin D, as well as compounds called beta-glucans, which have been shown to have immune-boosting and blood sugar-regulating effects. Remember to subscribe so you can learn natural ways to fight health issues. The 4th and final on the list is the chaga mushrooms. These mushrooms are rich in antioxidants and have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting effects. They are often used in traditional medicine to improve overall health and well-being. The link for the mushrooms mentioned above is in the description below. It's important to note that the potential health benefits of mushrooms can vary depending on the specific type of mushroom and how it is consumed. Consult a healthcare professional if you are considering adding mushrooms to your diet for their potential health benefits. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.